Video game club is done for the year. So if you don't know me, I run a video game club at my daughter's elementary school. It's a lot of fun. I didn't do a fantastic job of documenting the week by week process. I got very busy, so filming it kind of became a secondary priority. But now I'm breaking all the stuff down and I'm going to have a pretty sweet summer gaming setup now. I got two cool CRTs that I brought home. This guy's exclusively for the NES. This guy's got a composite splitter running to it that's got a whole bunch of older consoles running so that I can have some good old CRT gaming here on this Disney Princess screen. Then, of course, I got all my other stuff with this insane setup. Get this basketball out of here. But I've been thinking ahead to next year, and one of the things I really need to work on is engaging the kids better with the video game club stuff, because I was a little bit too loosey-goosey with it this year. I would set everything up. I think I had too many options, and the kids just tended to gravitate towards a handful of game consoles, especially in the second session. Video game club was split into two different sessions. I had two different groups of kids. The first group was insane. I had 20 kids in there. Every spot was filled. I mean, I was exhausted after each session, but it was a lot of fun. Those kids were super enthusiastic. They were all about it. Second session, not so much. I think part of it was that it was like springtime. It was nice outside. I think a lot of kids didn't want to be there, but their parents were kind of forcing them to be there. So that definitely showed, and some kids they weren't as engaged as the winter session kids were. But next year, I'm going to relabel the club as a video game and technology club, or at least that's something I'm batting the idea around. And I think one of the things I want to do is do an overarching project each week that'll culminate in a complete product at the end of the session. Usually, I'm thinking these are going to be 8-week sessions. So one thing I'm thinking about doing is building a gaming PC. I have this kind of PC of spare parts here that I've had sitting around. It's missing a GPU, and I think it's missing a hard drive or an SSD. But I think it'd be cool each week to kind of add to it, to explain the different parts, to explain the difference between a hard drive and an SSD, to explain what a CPU is, what a GPU is, what a motherboard is, why the power supply is important. Just something so that they understand a bit more about technology, how computers work, and hopefully walk out of there retaining some kind of knowledge and playing some awesome games. And then from there, I'll just kind of see what I'm going to do. Am I going to donate the PC to the school, raffle it off? I don't know. Something cool. I don't really need another gaming PC, but I think this would be a fun project to try and build a budget gaming PC with just spare parts. And then, other projects could be building the ultimate game console, like the ultimate NES, SNES, GameCube, whatever it may be, because my overall goal over the next few years is to have the school build kind of a game room so that when my kids are finished at this elementary school, my kid's a kindergartner now and I've got another one coming in, so I'll probably be there for a while. But by the time that I am leaving the school, my kids are out, there might actually be an established game room and I could pass it off to another parent to continue a video game club legacy at this school. We'll see. Those are lofty goals. I haven't really talked that over with the school yet. This was the first year, and I'd say, hey, for a first year, we did pretty good.